Imagine being in a relationship with someone who is madly in love with you. Every moment you spend together feels like a fairy tale, and you can't help but feel grateful for the love and attention your partner gives you. But the truth is, not every relationship starts like this. Sometimes, it takes a bit of effort to get your man to fall head over heels in love with you. In this video, we will discuss some tips on how to make your man madly in love with you. Tip 1. Be your authentic self. The first step to making your man fall madly in love with you is to be your authentic self. Don't try to change who you are to please him. Instead, be proud of who you are and show him your true self. When you're confident in yourself, it shows, and your man will be drawn to your natural beauty. Tip 2. Communicate effectively. Communication is key in any relationship. Make sure you're communicating effectively with your man. Listen to his needs and express your own. When you communicate clearly and openly, it creates a strong foundation for your relationship, which can help him fall deeper in love with you. Tip 3. Show your appreciation. Everyone loves to feel appreciated, especially in a relationship. Show your man that you appreciate him and all that he does for you. Small gestures, like saying thank you or giving him a thoughtful gift, can go a long way in making him feel loved and valued. Tip 4. Spend quality time together. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the busyness of life. But if you want to make your man madly in love with you, it's important to spend quality time together. Plan a date night, take a weekend trip, or simply enjoy each other's company at home. When you prioritize your time together, it strengthens your bond and makes him feel connected to you. Tip 5. Be supportive. No matter what your man is going through, be his biggest supporter. Encourage him in his dreams and goals, and be there for him when he needs you. When he knows that you're in his corner, it creates a deep sense of trust and respect, which can lead to him falling more in love with you. Tip 6. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is crucial in any relationship. Make sure that you prioritize your physical, emotional, and mental health. When you feel good about yourself, it shows, and your man will be drawn to your positive energy and confidence. Tip 7. Respect his boundaries. Every person has their own boundaries, and it's essential to respect them. Make sure that you communicate with your man about his boundaries and understand what makes him uncomfortable. When you respect his boundaries, it shows that you value his feelings and opinions, and he will appreciate your consideration. Tip 8. Be spontaneous. Don't be afraid to break out of your routine and do something spontaneous. Surprise him with a weekend getaway, plan a fun adventure, or try something new together. This will keep things exciting and fresh, and he will appreciate your adventurous spirit. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe.